Imagine a plant being put to sleep, just like a human undergoing surgery. That's exactly what happens to the Mimosa pudica. When exposed to anesthetic agents like ether, this sensitive plant completely stops responding to touch, its leaves remaining open and unfurled, defying its natural instinct. This isn't just a reflex, it's a shutdown of complex electrical signals that mirrors our own nervous system's response. It forces us to ask, what else are plants truly capable of? For centuries, humanity dismissed plants as static, unintelligent decor, mere backdrops to the animal kingdom. We've seen them as passive producers of oxygen and food, rooted in place, utterly devoid of thought or agency. But groundbreaking new science is dismantling this ancient bias, revealing a hidden world far more sophisticated than we ever dared to imagine. Prepare to shatter everything you thought you knew about the green life all around us. The truth is, plants don't just grow, they actively perceive their environment with an array of senses that would humble any human. They detect changes in light, touch, temperature, moisture, and even sound vibrations. Recent studies at the University of Western Australia showed plants can hear water moving through pipes, and direct their roots towards it. They're constantly gathering data, making decisions, and adapting in real time. Take the infamous Venus Flytrap, a silent hunter with a deadly precision. It doesn't snap shut at the first touch, it actually counts. 2 distinct trigger hairs must be touched within a 20-second window before the trap activates. Touch one hair once, nothing. Touch a second hair a few seconds later, snap. This sophisticated mechanism prevents wasted energy on falling debris, proving a short-term memory and decision-making process at the cellular level. Beneath our feet, an invisible internet connects nearly every plant in a forest. It's called the Wood Wide Web, a vast underground network of mycorrhizal fungi. Through this intricate fungal mesh, trees exchange resources like carbon, nitrogen, and water. A 2010 study by Suzanne Simard at the University of British Columbia demonstrated mother trees prioritizing nutrients for their own saplings, proving a form of familial recognition and altruism. When a caterpillar starts munching on a plant's leaves, it doesn't just sit there. The plant releases specific volatile organic compounds into the air, essentially a chemical distress signal. These airborne chemicals attract natural predators of the herbivore, like parasitic wasps, which then lay their eggs in the caterpillars, turning the tables on the attacker. This sophisticated alarm system proves active communication beyond direct physical contact. Forget simple reflexes, plants demonstrate genuine learning. Researchers at the University of Florence dropped potted Mimosa pudica plants repeatedly. Initially, they closed their leaves in response to the fall. But after just a few drops, they stopped reacting, having learned the fall was harmless and not a threat. This habituation persisted for weeks, showing a complex memory formation without a brain or nervous system as we know it. Some scientists, notably Professor Stefano Mancuso, propose that plants effectively have brains, not concentrated in one organ, but distributed throughout their root tips. Each root apex contains millions of cells acting like neurons, processing information from the soil about nutrients, water, and obstacles. These root brains collectively coordinate growth, resource allocation, and even decision-making for the entire plant, making them decentralized supercomputers. The communication extends even further than chemicals and fungi. New research suggests plants might even communicate using ultrasonic sounds. In 2023, scientists at Tel Aviv University recorded tomato and tobacco plants emitting clicking noises when stressed by drought or pruning. These sounds, imperceptible to humans, could be a warning system for nearby plants, signaling danger through the air. If plants can learn, remember, communicate, and even respond to anesthesia, it begs the ultimate question: are they sentient? While we don't define plant consciousness in the same way as animals, their complex behaviors challenge our anthropocentric views. They respond to pain in ways we're only beginning to understand, and show a profound awareness of their surroundings. This isn't just biology, it's a redefinition of what it means to be alive. This incredible hidden world of plant intelligence profoundly changes our relationship with nature. Every rustle of leaves, every bloom of a flower, every tree in a forest is part of a grand, intricate network of life, perceiving and interacting in ways we're only just grasping. They are not just resources, they are active, intelligent beings with their own complex lives. The next time you walk past a tree or tend to a garden, remember the shocking science unfolding beneath the surface. It begs the question, what other forms of intelligence are we still overlooking on our planet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if your mind was just blown, hit that subscribe button for more mind-bending science facts.